Viewers, welcome to the lesson number one of Avati Grammar. One of our viewers named Neha has requested us to make a lesson on Avadhi grammar. So today I will be teaching you three things within this segment. Number one is noun, next is pronoun, and verbs. So let's start with noun. As we all know that a word that represents name of a person, place, animal or a thing is known as noun. So here are some examples of Awadhi nouns. Like for dog, in Awadhi we call kukur or kukur. Cat is known as bilar. Pig is known as sor. Cow is known as gaiya. Buffalo, bhainsiya. Girl, ladki. Boy, launda. Man, mansedhu. Woman, mehraru. Child is known as gadela or gadel. Mango is aam. Potato is bhata. Onion is piyaj. Tree is known as birwa. Seed is beej. Book is kitabiya. Plate is tathi. Glass is gilas. Water is pani or paniya. Utensils is known as basan. Now let's learn some pronouns in Awadhi language. So what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that take place of a noun in a sentence. For example, I. Now my name is Pankaj, but this I also represents myself, right? So I, you, he, she, it, we, they, these all are personal pronouns. There are some possessive pronouns like mine, yours, his, her, its, ours, theirs. So I in Avadhi is hum, you is tu, he or she is u, it is e, we is again hum or hum sabai, they is ve or vai sab. Possessive pronouns mine is हमाय, ये किताब हमाया है. Yours तोहाय, ये किताब तोहाया है. His is okay. Hers is also okay. जैसे ये किताब ओकया है. So it can be male or female. ये किताब ओकया है. Its means हेकय. Its color is red. हेकय रंग लाल है. Ours is हम सबय के. Like this home is ours. ये घर हम सबय के है. Theirs उन सबय के. वो घर उन सबय के है. So these are some examples that I have made for these pronouns and personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Now let's move to verb. Verb is a word that expresses action, occurrence, or a state of being. So anything which is happening can be known as a verb. So in Avadhi, I have listed down some words like run. To run is daudab. I will run. Hum daudab. To jump is kudab. He jumps. U kudat hai. So kudab is to jump, but he jumps is u kudat hai. U खाता है. U रोवता है. U पियता है. Think is सोचब विचारब. To think, सोचब विचारब. In English, it is I think. It means I do think. I think. Avadhi it will be हम सोच विचारी था. It means I think. I run. हम दौड़ी था. I walk. हम चली था. I eat. हम खाई था. I drink. हम पी था. create is बनाऊब, they create. वह बनवा थी, they eat. वह खा थी, they drink. वह पिए थी. So whenever it is they, the verb will end with थी. वह खा थी, पिए थी, रोव थी, जा थी, पढ़ा थी. And when it is for myself, it will be हम खाई था, हम जाई था, हम पी था, हम पढ़ी था. When it is for him or her, it will be she reads. वो पढ़त है, वो जात है, वो खात है, वो पियत है, वो रोत है. Okay. So these are some more examples that I have written down in this website that you can go through and practice. That's all for today. Thank you so much. In the next lesson of Awadhi grammar, I will be bringing some other parts of speech. Thank you. Please subscribe and also do ensure that you go and check our website also, because there is a lot of Awadhi content available there. Thank you so much.